What's up, guys? It's Thursday. We made it out to Buckskin Mountain State Park. We've got Wi-Fi so we can stream. Sam's working a little bit, so I'm gonna go screw around and ride the scooters. Friday, we're out here playing bola ball. They had the balls just for loan up at the store. There's Sam back there, throwing and missing. How's it going, babe?
Not well. Ooh, and then she gets 3 points.
So came down here. The campground has a nice little dog park that the dogs have been playing at, having a good old time running amok. It's a nice day out today. It rained last night, but it's not super cold and everything kind of dried up.
I lost it again.
Perfect. How's it going, girls? Chilling by the fire? Yeah. We like the fire, Dad. It's warm. How you doing?
Mostly warm.
Mostly warm. Well, we caved in. We gave up on this hiking trail. It was a little more vertical than I expected it to be. But yeah, we're having fun. We stopped where we got a good view still, so you know, it's chill. We got the views. Dawson's doing the hike. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh, we like hiking, Dad. How's the wife doing with the hike?
Wife's doing all right. I agree though. I think I'm done.
What's up, guys? Today is Monday the 3rd, and I'm about to take the little scooter out, go on a little scoot around, and bring in the drone with me. Maybe I'll find something to fly, but yeah. So I came through what was clearly a closed down road. Looks like there's rock falls going on in the area, so hopefully nothing falls on me. Sam's working up in the front of the RV, so I'm kicking it in the back. Got my YouTube going, kicking back in bed. It's nice. Alright, we're gonna go down here, get some firewood. Had to buy firewood yet. This is gonna be the first little bit that we're buying. Brought most of our own. It's been a good trip so far. Really fun. Laid back at this place. Been flying the drone, riding the scooter around, having a good old time. Sam's working right now. Firewood. Lily, the duck is not coming with us. Hey, give me that duck. Give me the duck. Duck's not coming with us. You can have it when we get back. Alright, what's up, guys? It is Tuesday, January 5th. Today was supposed to be the day we were leaving, but we extended our trip an extra day. Sam's inside doing a little bit of work right now, and then we're probably going to take the scooters out for a bit.